Hi guys, it's Tessa. So in today's video I'm going to be bleaching my roots. I've left them for quite a while so they're nice and dark on the top of my head. I've got some messy bed hair right now, so yeah, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be bleaching it. So I wanted to do a video where I'm talking and letting you know the details, because the last hair video I did I just put music over the top. So this one is going to be a little bit more in depth. I'm going to be putting coconut oil on the ends of my hair. I always do this before I bleach my hair. I find it helps it protect it from the bleach a little bit more. So I'm just going to put organic coconut oil on the ends of my hair. So I have 15 dreadlocks on my bottom half of my head, and I'm going to show you how I bleach in between the dreadlocks as well. There's not much difference between bleaching the dreads and bleaching the normal hair, the loose hair. The only difference is when bleaching the dreads is you just have to make sure that you get in between each little bit, because you can be a little bit more prone to missing bits, but that's okay. Okay, so now I've just applied some coconut oil to the ends of my hair. I'm going to mix up the bleach. Right, so the bleach I'm going to be using is my favourite bleach of all time. I haven't had any problems with this bleach ever since I started using it. So I'm using the 20 volume Blondme Premium Developer from Schwarzkopf, and I'm going to be using that with the Blondme bleach powder. So I'm going to take my hair dyeing mixing bowl. So I'm going to use 1 scoop of the blue bleach powder to 2 full scoops of the developer, and then give it a good mix. So I'm going to start at the back of my head. I'm going to focus at bleaching in between the dreadlocks first, and then I'm going to bleach my roots on my loose hair like I would do normally. And if you guys have seen my other hair dyeing videos, you will know I've done this so many times. So go check out my hair playlist. Right, now it's time to get on and do the bleaching process. So I'm just going to tie my loose hair out the way while I do the bleaching in between the dreadlocks, just so we can see a little bit clearly on where I gotta do it. Right, so now you can see exactly where I'm going to be bleaching in between these little dreadies. Oh, got a dread stuck in my hair. There we go. Right, so I'm going to start bleaching in between the dreadlocks first, and then I'm going to be bleaching the rest of my head like I do normally. I just section with the end of the brush, part the hair, and then brush it on, making sure that I don't overlap the already bleached hair.
You like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be.
dreadlocks have been bleached. Now I'm just going to bleach the rest of my hair.
Okay, I bet you never even thought to be. Okay, I bet you never even thought to be. Okay, I bet you never even thought to be. Okay, I bet you never even thought to be. Okay, I bet you. Okay, I bet you. Okay, I bet you. Okay, I bet you. Okay, 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 okay. I bet you never even tried to be real. Okay, I bet you. to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be.
Okay, so now I've covered in between the dreads and I've done the rest of my roots on my hair. I'm going to do the roots on my bangs. Now the bleach has been all applied to my hair, I'm going to leave it on my head for 45 minutes and then I'm going to get in the shower. I'm going to shampoo and lightly condition and then it will be ready for the semi-permanent hair colour. And as you can see, it is already turning a nice orangey colour. And the next stage would be the yellow and then it will go to blonde. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes now and all of my root regrowth has turned a lovely shade of a yellowy blonde from the bleach. So I'm going to get into the shower now. I'm going to shampoo my hair. I like to shampoo my hair twice just to make sure that I've got rid of all of the bleach from my scalp, because if you leave any parts or traces of the bleach it can burn. So I do like to really give it a good wash and then I'm going to lightly condition and then it's ready for the toning part so we can get it all the same colour, a really nice shade of blonde. So I'll get back to you when I get out the shower and rinse all this bleach out. So just real quickly, the lipstick I'm wearing is actually a Jeffree Star mannequin dupe. So I got this shade from Primark and all the Primark cosmetics are actually now cruelty free, which is awesome. Completely off topic, I know, but they do sell a dupe for the Jeffree Star mannequin lipstick, which is the same colour. So I have washed and dried my hair from the bleach. This is what I'm left with. I haven't toned it yet. So this is what my hair looks like after washing the bleach out and giving it a condition. So I'm actually really happy with the results of the bleaching. I don't even really think I need to tone it. I could get away with using a purple shampoo and leaving that on my hair for about 10 minutes and that will give it a nice, like a silvery shimmer. But to be honest, with the yellow bangs, the roots don't look that bad without being toned, so I'm really happy. So I probably will end up toning my roots with Arctic Fox Periwinkle. I'll leave that for another video, but this video I wanted to show you how I bleach my hair and how I get it so blonde. I'm so impressed with how it turned out. So I'm going to show you the back of my head. So this is what the dreadlocks look like. So it's all nice and bleach blonde. So you can see where my hair used to have the periwinkle hair dye in the mid-lengths of my hair. So where you can see the faded purpley blue colour, that was the toner I used last time. So when it fades out, it goes to this beautiful white blonde colour. So with the Blondme range from Schwarzkopf, this bleach has to be one of my favourites. It leaves the hair a very light blonde, so you pretty much don't even have to tone it. I mean, if you want to have silver hair, or if you want to have like that nice golden blonde sort of colour, you're going to tone it with some sort of colourant. This has to be one of the best bleaches I've used so far. I've used quite a lot of bleaches in my time, but I always seem to go back to Schwarzkopf and I never have a problem with it, but it just works best on my hair type. I do have quite thin, fine hair, so bear that in mind, but I do use a 20 volume of peroxide, so it just goes together. If I had a thicker hair, then I would go with the 30 vol. I used to use the 30 volume, but I've learnt my lesson and it's better to start low and do it that way rather than going straight in with the high volume, because it could be more damaging and then the damage can't be reversed. So if you use the lower volume of peroxide first, if you do needed to bleach it again, you can do it with the 20 vol rather than bleaching it twice with the 30 vol and then have your hair fall out. There you go. So it does work really well, and I love the fact that it helps with the bonds of the hair. There is something in it, I'm not too sure, it's quite technical, but it does have something to help reinforce the structure of your hair so it's not so prone to breaking and having damage. But because I put coconut oil on my hair before I put the bleach on, that also helps with the condition of my hair. But that's about it. That's all I do to my hair to keep up with the root maintenance. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.